Hello everyone! How have you been? I hope everything is fine with you. Have you watched the previous episode? If you haven't, I suggest that you watch it first, because it may simplify the sound you are going to learn today. The sound you learned last time was kh. Focus on the place where the sound comes from. Kh. Now, move the back of your tongue just a bit further back. Tighten the muscles of the upper section of the throat and add your voice. Gh, gh. And here is the shape of the letter. Please try to pronounce it with me. From the kh position, the tongue moves a bit further back, the muscles tighten, and the vocal cords vibrate. Kh, gh, kh, gh. With kh, the back of the tongue rises to produce a hard sound. The same goes for gh. Otherwise, it will be gh, gh. This isn't quite correct. The sound should be gh, gh. Please repeat after me. Gh, gh. Have you noticed that gh is the sibling of a? To avoid mixing them up, remember that the one with the dot above is the one where the back of your tongue moves up. Dot above, back of tongue up. Now it's time to focus on the shape and repeat the sound. Gh, gh.